Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Ahmad Maulana. My opinion about the Indonesia national team versus Bahrain. The match which took place at the Bahrain National Stadium, Manama on Tuesday, 10th of October evening ended in a 2-2 draw, but was marked by a controversial decision from referee Ahmed Al-Kaf. The referee from Oman was in the spotlight after not stopping the match even though the match time had ended. Bahrain took advantage of the situation, who finally scored an equalizer to Mohamed Mahroum in the last minute. Previous Indonesia had taken the lead with goal from Ragnar Ortamagnon dan Rafael Stroh. After Bahrain had taken the lead to Mohamed Mahroum goals. Even though the referee's decision was unfair, the Indonesian national team still deserves appreciation for their performance of the field.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Maulana from the Absence Management Study Program. I am 26. I will explain about question word. Next, list of contents. Number 1, what is meant by WH question or question word? Number 2, what is the function of the WH question? Number 3, what does WH question include? Number 4, negative WH question. Number 5, how to form WH question or WH question formula. Next, what is meant by WH question or question word? WH question are question word in English which are written starting with WH word. Next, what is the function of the WH question? Number 1, WH question are used by someone to ask for information to which the person speaking must provide a clear answer. In English, they are also known as open questions. Number 2, in other words, your can't answer a question sentence in the form of a WH question using only yes or no. Next, 5W plus H. Number 1, what? What is used to ask about thing? Yep. As we know, what is a question word, the function to ask about something or something relate to someone. Explains of its use in a sentence. What are you doing? What is your name? What do you think about the movie? What time is it? What shall I do? Apart from its function to find information about something, you can also use the word what to ask for repetition or confirmation, aka asking for repetition or confirmation of what someone else has said. Next, where? If you want to find out information about the location, purpose, and positive of someone or something, of course, the right question word to use is where. Explain of an interrogative sentence. Where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my handphone? Where are you hide? Where should I park? Next, why? This question word function as a search for recension or cautious. In this case, the recension can be positive or negative to find out the background in something happening. Explain are as follow. Why? Why do you love me? Why it did happen? Why are you crying? Why is he longing? Why did you come late? Next, when. Of course, when is used to ask when something happens. This question word is closely related to the adverb of time which can be the answer to this type of question. Example of use with the question word when are. When do you finish college? When does the taxi arrive? When did she leave? When will that fix my bicycle? When will the meeting start? Next, who? Who? Example of question used in the question word who. The question word who to ask about people or a person or subject. Other example are Who opened the windows? Who are you? Who in your favorite Korean artist? Who is your boyfriend? Who owns this bag? Next, how. Finally, there is a how for you to use when you want to ask about manner of process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking for price, duration, frequency, X, method, distance, or quality. Example sentence. How can you explain the problem? How was your exam? How far is Sam Reap from Convert? How much money do you have? How often you go to Bali in a year? Next, how to from a WH question formula. WH question with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have, plus subject plus main verb. Explains when are you leaving, where do you they live, what have they decided. Next, WH question with modal verb. WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, who he stay with, what should I do, why should we write books. Next, interrogative sentence with how auxiliary of modal verb. WH plus main verb. Explain how won the game, how points number, how's box this. Next, positive or negative WH question. Positive interrogative sentence with auxiliary. How wants an ice cream? Which door opened? Next, negative interrogative sentence with the auxiliary verb do. Who doesn't want an ice cream? Which door didn't open?
That's all my presentation about question word. Thank you.